liking you.
I know. They are crazy. Where's another one? Oh yeah. Oh, they like a cat. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's got claws.
I want to.
You can sit on that igloo if you like. It's okay to sit on.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll hold you.
Okay.
Is that a little better?
Yeah. Thank you. I don't. Here. Oh. I want to give them. Oh, here.
I think you like that one.
Yeah.
I think once you start working with him at home and teach him about the treats, he'll be. I think that's the little girl anyway.
Okay.
That's the girl. She's more money.
Okay.
She's the last female. All the rest are boys.
Okay.
I like them with a half mask or with a partial mask, like the one that's got the full one side and then partial other side. I think those ones are really cute. So I like the two red ones that have the, well,
yeah.
all three red ones have a half mask.
Yeah.
Or a full mask. I think this one's super cute. But I don't think it's going to be as bulky as Petey. This one's going to be really bulky, but it's plain. I think these two are exceptional. They're going to be beefy dogs, both of them. You want a beefier dog, right?
Yeah.
So
You mean I want to hug them?
you remember Petey yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
How wide his chest is?
Yeah.
A dog like that.
Oh yeah. I want that one.
It's going to be this one and that red with the that one and that one. And on these ones, it'll be, these plain ones are going to be a bit beefier.
Look at this one.
Yeah. I don't think this one's going to be quite as beefy, and I don't think this one's going to be quite as beefy. But this one's really pretty.
Which one?
That one.
Yeah.
He's got a nice dark mask on him. But he's not going to be as big. This one's going to be a larger dog like Petey.
Yeah, cute. Hey.
I think this red's got a nice big head on it,
Yeah.
and this red.
But this one?
Any of the reds are going to be really big. And then that plain blue is going to be big.
Mm-hmm.
This is the little girl.
Mm-hmm.
These dogs right here, this one will be big. She's going to be really pretty too.
Mm-hmm. This one like a food, but not very active. You feel that? This one?
That's the one that... So they all just got their shots like a little while ago, so...
They all got our only
Yeah,
him.
we gave everybody their shots. We finally finished it up.
Yeah. That's
So that might actually slow them down a little bit, but just here.
It's okay. It's okay. I just let them.
They're all so chewy. Toys.
Yeah. Let me think. This one or this one? Hey, buddy. It's me. Hi. Hi. You want this one? You want this one? How do you?
You're pretty playful. You're pretty playful. Yeah, you're pretty playful. You're starving for attention.
So yesterday you see this one, right? Your neighbor say.
Yeah, but she can't afford a dog. They're living in a fifth wheel.
Yeah. But
But
you say this
It was
one?
following Izzy around everywhere.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, other one. Oh my
It was
God.
This one.
This one follow you anywhere?
It was following Izzy around everywhere.
This one? Oh my
This
God,
one
look
right
at my
here.
shoes.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. They just grow the teeth, so that's
No.
happened.
Tyrannosaurus Rexes right now.
Okay, give me $50 back. It's okay.
Guys.
It's okay. So which one you said? It's okay. Alright. So you said which one will follow me? I want it to follow me anywhere.
Well, it was following
That's
Izzy. It was the biggest one. This one, I think. That one.
You mean this one?
That
Oh.
one. Maybe. Both boys.
Which one was you?
It was one of these two. It might have been that one. It's got a little spot on its back.
Yeah. Okay. Now I know.
Ow! You got a bite on
Sorry, I just.
you. You're on with treats, I can guarantee you that. It's just a matter of
Yeah.
what you want to look at. You want one with a mask or
Oh.
Okay. Here you are.
either one of those is going to mold into what you want.
Yeah, once you get one-on-one with them.
Hey. How are you? How are you? It's really hard. Let me see.
You need to get a lifeline and call a friend.
Hmm?
You need to call a friend and have them do it.
Is it follow you anywhere or your neighbor come?
Izzy. When Georgia brought her granddaughter Izzy over here to see the puppies,
Which one is?
it was one of these plain faced ones. I think it was this one with the spot.
You remember? You said the no.
No, he wasn't here.
No, I wasn't here.
Okay.
Well, I think it was this one.
Yeah.
It had a plain face, and Izzy was just like, "Come on, Mom." And Mom's like, "We can't afford it. We don't have room. Talk to your dad."
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
But she really wanted it. She wanted him.
Yeah, small puppy. Come here. Come here. Come here. How?
That little red one staring at you.
You silly dogs.
Yeah, look at.
You silly dogs. Oh, get me.
Get one out. That is out. We'll gnaw the fence up.
Just give me that one. I want this one.
Okay.
Hey, so you know which one? Could you please bring my stuff up?
We want you to make sure you get the one that you want.
I want it. I love all of them. That's
I
why it's
know,
a heart, you know.
Yep.
Hey, be
I
careful.
understand.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you can give the treat to the dog.
Get your glasses.
Yeah,
out of
I
there.
bring my glass out, so you can give the.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. You want back home? What happened? 你妈妈不要你了。What happened? Look at. What happened? Thinking? Thinking? Okay, let's go home. Okay, let's go home. 我终于有了自己的另外一只小狗。它出生的日期是1月6号。Let's go. Let's go home. Okay. 小狗到家啦，给你介绍一下，你看。这个，这是谁呀？这是谁呀？Doki， 你有弟弟啦 ？You want to stay with him? It's a big dog, right? Good job. Good job. I know. I know. You did a good job. 我还想不起来给你叫什么名字呢。啊，叫什么名字呀？叫小丑八怪吧。哦，好棒，好棒，好棒，是吧？你妈妈不要你啦？是不是你妈妈把你给卖了？我够坏吧 ？OK， 你好棒，好棒啊！好棒，好棒。